A long time ago, in a galaxy far, far away, the universe was created by a huge explosion. A planet was made, named Earth. Earth was made livable, and humans were designed to look after the creation and not to destroy it. Years pass. Earth is unsustainable. No longer is it luscious and thriving, but a barren wasteland. This is the Earth's last stand. We are destroying the world. We are ruining the Earth. Now, this is Pac-Man. Pac-Man is representing the consumption of the Earth, all the food we're wasting, all the oil we're drilling, all the coal we're burning. Pac-Man represents human beings. The Pac dots represents the Earth's unsolved problems. This Pac dot is pollution. Pollution is an inferno, burning away precious oxygen in the Earth's atmosphere. Trees no longer reach for the stars, but rot to the ground. There are many types of pollution: air pollution, land pollution, and water and ocean pollution. Pac-Man has a feeding frenzy. In New Zealand, the worst type of Pac dot is land pollution. This contains rubbish, hazardous waste, and sewage. New Zealand is a small country, but we produce a gigantic amount of waste. Pac-Man has stopped his frenzy, for now. Now he will feast on electricity. This Pac dot represents the amount of electricity that is being wasted by us. This Pac dot is made out of energy that is wasted by TVs, computers left on standby, very long showers, and leaving lights on when you're not even home. New Zealand mainly uses sustainable energy sources such as hydroelectricity, so energy consumption isn't a main problem here. The next Pac dot shows the effect of the climate change and the ozone depletion. The ozone layer used to be in a horrible state because of the masses of CFCs in their spray cans. This traps greenhouse gases inside the Earth's atmosphere, poisoning the air and melting the ice caps. These greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. We need to reduce the amount of climate change Pac dots to survive the onslaught of poisonous gases. Pac-Man is getting bigger and bigger as time goes on, feeding on all of our problems. Soon he will become bigger than the Earth and overpower our attempts to stop it. So we must destroy it before this happens. Pac-Man will soon get closer and closer and closer until he eats the Earth itself. But we can stop this if we act now. But who is Blinky? Strangely enough, Blinky is also us. Blinky and Pac-Man constantly battle in a never-ending struggle to annihilate each other. Eventually, Blinky will come through and kill Pac-Man. But how do we do that? We can do this by managing all the types of pollution and waste, decreasing the risks to the environment and your family's health. This can be done by stopping the mining and burning of fossil fuels. They are terrible to the environment and atmosphere. Another thing we can do is decreasing the amount of electricity we are using. This can be done by turning off unused power sockets, by shortening showers and reducing hot water consumption, by not leaving stuff on standby. And finally, not using CFC spray cans and taking public transport. Carpooling is also a very good way to save money and power. Blinky fights off Pac-Man, but remember, Pac-Man always respawns.